A blustery Easter here in New Hampshire, and the winds continuing to crank this afternoon. Wind advisory continues for a good chunk of the state through 6 o'clock this evening. We could still have some gusts up around 40 to 45 miles per hour through then. And then closer to sunset, the winds will slowly but surely start to drop off. Cooler air being ushered in out of southern Canada this afternoon, and that'll hold temperatures basically to where they are right now. A lot of us sitting in the 50s today, though 40s will be common far to the north, as any lingering clouds this morning, I should say this afternoon, will start to clear away. And we're looking at mostly sunny skies through this evening. Tonight, it's clear, it's chilly with a dry air mass. Temperatures by early tomorrow, 20s to the north, near freezing in the Lakes region, the Mount Washington Valley, mid-30s across southern New Hampshire. So it's going to be cold at the bus stop as the kids head back to school tomorrow. Of course, our neighbors to the south and east celebrating Patriots Day on Monday. And if you're heading down to the Boston Marathon, looks like a comfortably cool start in Hopkinton tomorrow morning. By the time runners are getting to the finish line in downtown Boston, some passing clouds tomorrow afternoon, a sea breeze that kind of hits the runners right in the face, but it is a cool ocean breeze, so it'll be a little more comfortable as runners make their way toward the city. Temperatures tomorrow in the 50s. If you're spectating a little bit farther inland, low 60s will be common for afternoon temperatures. In fact, here's a closer hour-by-hour view of the weather down in the Boston area tomorrow. There are your comfy morning temperatures, and then it warms up pretty quickly, especially from Newton. Wellesley points west by 1 o'clock, approaching 60 degrees there. But there's that ocean breeze kind of keeping it comfortably cool from Brookline down into Boston. Basically past Heartbreak Hill is where that sea breeze stalls. So west of Newton, warmer, and then into the city, cooler tomorrow afternoon. But it looks dry. Both spectators and runners might be handy to have the sunscreen on hand as it's partly sunny throughout a good chunk of tomorrow. Temperatures slowly warming up through the week. In fact, by Tuesday, we're approaching 70 degrees once again, but it will take some rain showers to move through Monday night to get us to that warmer day. Sunny and comfortable on Wednesday. Temperatures a little bit cooler in the lower 60s, but mild again late week with some showers possible by Friday afternoon.